This is Alex.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hi, excuse me. I love your boots, my friend. Are you a fashion student or something? I'm gonna hate myself if I don't do this, so. Do you mind if I have a seat? What's your name?
Okay, Alex, so how was today?
It's a good day, man.
Quick announcement, the hats are still available at socialanimal.us. You can get the black one or the pink one with the side 100K embroidery, meaning that you're part of the first 100,000 subscribers. Besides that, I'm leaving New York and going to LA. So if you want to hang out, just shoot me an email and we'll make it happen. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so today I'm in New York. I'm with Alex. It's fucking freezing.
Yeah, my name's Alex. I'm 27 years old. I am a tech bro. I'm in sales. I've always been an extroverted person and outgoing, but I think there is a next level of that I haven't really reached as far as like social wise. And when I'm with my friends, it's easier for me to go up to people and talk to them, or just, you know, if you get rejected, it's fine because you have your friends to back you up. But in the real world, you don't always have your friends there, and sometimes you know, life is about taking it by the balls, I think, sometimes, and you just have to be confident and just do it. There's no downsides to it, right? So the reason I'm here, I think, is to desensitize myself, you know, just trial by fire, and get over the fear of just saying hello to people on a regular basis. Both strangers that I think are interesting, and also, you know, pretty girls would be nice as, you know, both sides to the coin, I guess.
Yeah, any last word before we start?
No.
Okay.
Hi there. You look very relaxed. What are you reading?
A new book. My boss gave it to me.
That doesn't look like a very fun book.
Oh, it is. It's fun.
It is?
It's hard, yeah. It's hard not to get.
I don't think I've ever heard anybody say that chemistry is the most fun thing in the world.
Chemistry, like dating chemistry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So anyway, so far at least.
Do you mind if I have a seat for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. I saw you. I just thought you were cute. I wanted to say hello to you. I'm Alex. Pleasure to meet you. I like your nails. I freaking, like, I'm the type of person where if I'm seeing somebody, I'm like, I'll buy your nails, because then, like, I get the head scratches, and that's worth every penny for me. Like,
No, I love them too.
why are you sitting outside on a cold day today?
Because when I'm inside, it's crowded. Yeah. But here at Big Coat, it's nice.
It's a nice coat.
Yeah. Where did you come from?
I've just been walking around today. I have the day off, so I'm sort of doing this thing where I'm trying to challenge myself to just talk to random people, and sort of, you know, get over the stigma of just saying hello to people, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like it's very interesting. I feel like we're very connected as society now, but we're also, like, so disconnected, you know?
Yeah.
We've lost the ability to, like, talk to people.
Yeah, especially in New York.
Especially in New York, yeah. It's very weird to be surrounded by millions of people and, like, feel lonely sometimes, or, you know, feel that feeling.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. But it's a beautiful day. The sun's out today, you know? I can't complain. It's nice to meet you. I won't bother you too much. But I thought you're gorgeous. I'd like to maybe grab a drink with you or something if you're into that.
I'm seeing someone.
That's all right.
I'm so sorry.
No, that's totally fine. We'll take it as a compliment then.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure to meet you. I hope you learn more about your dating chemistry.
Thank you. And I hope you meet more fun strangers.
I hope so too. Thanks. See you later. Have a good one. It was great. Yeah. I feel really fucking good now.
So I have one feedback. I feel like when you were like, oh, like, you know, I'm trying to, like, you know, branch out, like, sort of like my comfort zone, whatever. I thought that was very self-reflective. Like, you know, I felt that if you were truly present, you would not really have mentioned that. You know? Why are we saying what you're saying? Are you saying what you're saying because you're in the moment, you're reacting to the situation? Or are you saying what you're saying because you're out of the moment and so you're just reaching for, like, something to say? And so, you know, just something to keep in mind.
Yeah.
But anyway, that was a good first interaction.
I'm sorry, can I join the club of petting your dog too? Hi! Hi! She's so, well, he or she is so cute. I feel like having a dog would be the biggest, like, chick magnet in the world. I bet you people come up to you all the time and say hello.
Right now.
2 people in 10 seconds, that's a pretty good record, yeah. What are you guys up to today?
Just getting coffee.
Cool.
Go shopping.
Yeah, it's fucking nice out, huh? It's a beautiful day.
Really nice out.
Cool. Well, it was nice meeting you. See you guys later.
Hey, you just peed yourself. Go back.
No, I knew you were gonna do
No,
this.
you can't. You can. Just go back. Just go back. Just go back.
I knew you were gonna do this. I knew you were gonna do this. You fucking bitch. All right, I'm gonna hate myself if I don't do this. So, I thought you were gorgeous. I just wanted to say hello and see if
hi.
you want to grab a drink or something sometime.
Sure.
Cool. Yeah. You want to link up on Instagram or something?
Sure.
Cool. Yeah.
Alex.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you.
You too.
Cool.
right,
I was gonna hate myself. I knew, like, if I didn't ask, like, what am I gonna say? See ya. I hate when you're right, dude.
Easy.
Oh man, that was easy.
Thank God I asked you to go back, huh?
Feel good, man. Yeah, I feel good. Like, that's definitely one of the things that I like need.
You came back and you knew what I was gonna do. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
Don't do this to me, man. Oh man, I like your boots. I love your boots, my friend. Where are you from? What's that? Oh, is that right? I haven't seen anyone in cowboy boots in the city, I don't think.
They don't fare too well in the snow, and they're pretty in right now. A lot of hipsters and people will wear them.
Would you define yourself? Are you a self-proclaimed hipster?
No, it's more like redneck. They're super comfortable. I don't have time later.
That's cool, man. What are you up to today, man?
About to head back to work. Just a little break.
Oh, nice. Yeah, just walking around, chilling, just talking to people,
Tourist.
saying hello. No, I live here. Yeah, but I had the day off today, so I was like, might as well take advantage of it. The sun's out. What do you do for work?
Like big data stuff.
Cool. I work for tech as well, but I'm in sales.
I'm also kind of in sales.
Oh, really?
More of like a technical sales or like sales engineering, I guess.
Interesting.
It's like
Doing anything fun this weekend?
a birthday
Is that right? Today?
tomorrow.
Oh, well, happy birthday. What are you doing?
Have some friends, nothing too crazy.
Cool.
Go to a club or something. But
Yeah. You like electronic music?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go to a place called House and Yes.
Cool.
Kind of like
Been there before.
Mm-hmm. Like techno shows or
Yeah, I'm going to Elsewhere tonight. Yeah.
another good one if you've never been is a place called Black Flamingo.
I've never heard of that, no.
Tiny little like kind of like a college basement almost,
Mm.
but they do fun house music. Well, it's very like dirty and grimy and like small, but it's always a good time there. European, I feel like clubbing is usually just more peaceful, respectful. People aren't like give you a room to dance. Like
Yeah.
whereas like you go to-
Mirage, dude? God.
It's just yeah. It's just a way of
What's your name?
bad
Alex.
time.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Have a great day, my friend. See you later. Good, man, yeah. Yeah, I think it's easier in my head when somebody has like a noticeable thing about them, right? Like he was wearing cowboy boots. So I could be like, oh, hey, nice boots.
Well, I mean,
And it's like a crutch kind of,
no, so that's fine because like that's the genuine, like you saw the boots and you had a genuine impulse to say something about the boots, and that's fine. The only problem is that when you see a cute girl, your relationship with your desire is a bit off, and so you think it's not legitimate to basically talk to her because she's beautiful. But really, both impulses are as genuine. You should be able to tell a girl that she looks gorgeous with the same ease you had telling this guy that you think his boots are cool.
Yeah.
It's really not a big deal.
Yeah. Hi, excuse me. Hey, I saw you. I just thought you were really cute. I wanted to say hi to you.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. I have to cover now.
Oh, okay, cool. Have a good day.
I felt in this interaction, like I felt you were kind of like saying a line. Like you may want to try to almost, make every interaction slightly different.
Of course.
Just as an exercise to basically like bring you outside of your mind and in the actual moment.
Sure. Excuse me. Hi. I saw you. I thought you were beautiful. I wanted to say hello.
Thank you.
What are you up to today?
Well, I'm running around. I'm waiting for my friend. She's working.
No work for you today.
No.
That's nice.
Yes.
I have the day off as well. I saw the sun is out today, so I'm like.
So nice. And it's cold, but very nice.
Yeah, I like your outfit matching.
Thank you.
Are you a fashion student or something?
No, not at all.
No?
I'm a business student.
Where are you from?
From Spain.
From Spain?
Yeah.
And you're just visiting or you live here?
No, I'm visiting.
Oh, is that right?
Yes.
Cool. How do
Are
you
you
like
from
it?
here?
I live here now, yeah. But I've been living in Mexico for the past few years.
Oh, nice.
And Colombia and Guatemala, yeah.
Can you speak Spanish as well?
Un poco.
okay.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Nice
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Have a good day.
Let's do something. No.
Yeah, you're right. No, I should have.
Just go back. Just do it. Just do it. It worked
All right.
so well for you the first time.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Why don't you just go? You were so close to her.
Oh, I know it's gonna sound dumb. But no, it's
So
just
tell
like,
the world where you're a little bit. I'm kidding.
yeah,
It's
no.
okay. It happens to the best of us. It's okay.
No, it's just like running up behind her, and then wow, there's like 4 people right behind her, and then running behind her, and be like, hey, excuse me, I have to say this, like otherwise
Well,
I'm gonna hate.
the problem here is that you are constructing this like line in your mind. You know, it's not like, oh, excuse me, I had to say this. It's like, hey, by the way, you seem in a rush, but let's have a drink next week. You know,
Yeah,
you don't
yeah.
have to like. Right now, you're making it such a big deal.
I am. Yeah.
I had to say this. Like, what is this? Like, you're gonna save. Like what? Like, you're gonna cure cancer if you say this? Like, what are you talking about? You don't have to say this. You just want to say it.
Yeah. Excuse me. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
I just saw you. I thought you were gorgeous, so I wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name? It's a
Yeah.
very unique name. I'm Alex.
Nice
Nice to meet you. What are you up to today?
I'm tutoring this girl
Okay.
at school, so I was doing. But yeah.
That's cool. What are you tutoring her for?
Tutoring for English. She's
Okay.
ready to pay for it.
Your English sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
That's dumb.
You live there too?
Yeah. I live in Williamsburg.
Oh,
I just have the day off. Yeah, I'm just. Cool. You go to school here?
yeah. I go to.
What do you go for? English?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. So it's like a little internship.
What?
So it's like a little internship for you to tutor her.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I have a lot of friends who teach English online, and they like.
Oh,
I
really?
travel a lot. I've been like living in Latin America for the past few years,
Oh, nice.
and now I'm just coming back to like the city in like real life.
Oh,
But
nice.
I know so many of my friends who like will travel the whole world and teach English online.
That's
Have you
so
heard about
cool.
that?
I've
Yeah,
never
cool.
heard
Well, I came with you because you're gorgeous. Do you want to get a drink sometime?
Yeah, sure. I'd love
Cool.
to remember.
Yeah. Or yeah, you
I'll
do
give
it.
you mine, I'll
Okay, cool. That works. Yeah. You go to any music in town? Are you a music person?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah?
How did you figure that out?
No, I just guessed. I was just asking. Like that's what I like to do. So I was like, oh,
so
maybe we could go
funny.
see some music or something.
That's so funny. Yeah.
I'm more of like a comedy person. I do stand-up comedy and go to a lot of shows in this area. So I'm always in the area.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well,
Cool.
So
Well, nice to meet you. I'll see you around. Have a good day, okay? See ya. Oh, that was really good. That was so natural. Yeah, that was so natural. I felt so good. And I almost like backed away. Like I almost. Ah! That feels so good, man. I was surprised that like people were just very receptive to meeting a stranger and talking to them. Which sounds crazy that it's surprising just to talk to somebody, but
Yeah.
you know, it was surprising and felt really good for sure.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Yeah, just get out there and do it, you know? There's no downsides to it. There's no negative to saying hello to people. People are genuinely friendly and humans are good. If you have good intentions and you have a thought that you want to speak to somebody or give somebody a comment or whatever, like, and you have good intentions, there's no downside.
Any last word?
Get out there and do it.